The South African Police Service has confirmed that Brown Mokgotsi, a Northwest-based political fixer linked to suspended Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, has finally met with investigators following an alleged assassination attempt that left his vehicle riddled with bullets. The shooting reportedly took place on Monday night in Vosloorus, when Mokgotsi's Chevrolet sedan came under heavy gunfire, sustaining approximately 11 bullet holes. According to SAPS spokesperson Brigadier Glenda Mathe, initially Mokgotsi was too traumatized to provide formal statement to police. Even by Wednesday morning, 2 days after the incident, he had yet to give his account. Police sources described him as an uncollaborative complainant, a label echoing his earlier reluctance to cooperate during a search and seizure operation at his Northwest home in October. By Wednesday afternoon, however, SAPS confirmed progress. Mate said, "Yes, we can now confirm that the investigation team is meeting with Mr. Mokgotsi and his lawyers at his lawyers' offices." The alleged hit on Mokgotsi comes as he faces serious allegations before the Matlang Commission of Inquiry, which is investigating political interference in police operations. Last month, the police raided his business premises in Saweteng village, Mahikeng, seeking electronic devices and equipment he allegedly failed to hand over as promised. Mokgotsi was given 5 days to respond to the allegations. In the wake of the shooting, the Commission has expressed grave concern for his safety. Commission spokesperson Jeremy Michaels said discussions were underway with Mokgotsi's legal team regarding possible witness protection, and said we are in ongoing discussions with him and his legal representatives to secure his appearance before the Commission. We have offered him protection and remain deeply concerned about his safety. Let's see how this unfolds over the coming days and weeks. Prominent crime activist Yusuf Abramji has urged authorities to treat the case with urgency and transparency, warning that any delay could undermine public trust, and said the seriousness of this matter demands immediate and thorough investigation to ensure the safety and security of all involved and to uphold the principles of justice. He added that eyewitness accounts must be carefully examined to establish the full scope and motive behind the alleged attempt. Mokgotsi is expected to appear before the Parliament's ad hoc committee investigating political interference policing on November 18, 19 and 20. His testimony, alluded to earlier by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, is anticipated to shed light on his role and connections within the broader web of alleged political meddling. As the inquiry intensifies and threats to key witnesses mount, the unfolding saga surrounding Brown Mokgotsi underscores the volatile intersection of politics, policing and personal peril in South Africa's corridors of power. That's a check on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.